Surprisingly, volcanoes can create their own lightning. During an eruption, the intense heat and friction from ash particles and rock fragments colliding in the air can generate massive electrical charges, leading to spectacular lightning displays. This phenomenon, known as volcanic lightning or dirty thunderstorm, is a rare and awe-inspiring sight, making volcanoes one of the few places on Earth where you can witness fire and lightning intertwined in a breathtaking display of nature's power. Like and subscribe for more amazing facts.